Little storyteller.
The rain stopped, and the sun peeked through fluffy white clouds. Leo, a boy with bright blue eyes and a red raincoat, splashed in puddles on his way home. Suddenly, he saw a very big puddle. A pothole. It was wider than his 2 feet and filled with muddy water. But this puddle was special. Tiny green dinosaurs with long necks dipped their heads to drink. A small, furry, woolly mammoth with tiny tusks splashed playfully. Leo gasped. He knelt down carefully. A little orange dinosaur with frilly wings looked up at him with big, curious eyes. The fluffy baby mammoth trumpeted softly. Leo giggled. He found a bright red leaf and gently floated it on the water. The little orange dinosaur nudged it with its nose, making it spin. The baby mammoth tried to catch it with its tiny trunk, wiggling with delight. Suddenly, the sun went behind a cloud, and a little shiver went through the tiny creatures. Leo remembered his bright yellow umbrella. He carefully opened it over the pothole, making a sunny spot for his new friends. The baby mammoth and the little dinosaur snuggled under the leaf, feeling safe and warm. The clouds moved away, and the sun shone brightly again. The tiny dinosaurs and the woolly mammoth looked happy. Leo smiled. He learned that even in a small muddy pothole, you could find amazing friends and have a big adventure, especially when you share kindness.
Please subscribe. Thank you.